In the UV DTF printing process, correctly installing the AB film is a key step to get the smooth and high-quality printing output. So in this video, we will show you how to install the UV AB film on your printer. Here you can see these is spindle that's going to be where the A film is placed. You can slide the adapter to fit the paper roll. First, we need to load the A film and place the outside side up. Make sure adapters are fully inserted into the roll. Then clamp it onto the paper feeding shaft and install the fixing bolts at both ends. Tighten the screws. Insert the end of the A film into the paper slot. This roller inside is on the top of the film. And then feed it through. Turn the steering wheel to open the clamp. Let the A film pass through the middle of the two rollers. Lock the clamp rollers. Next we install the B film. Here is where the B film is placed. After sliding in, plug the adapter in tightly. Then tighten the screws. Make sure the film is in the middle position of the platform. Here this roller is for the protective film of a film. Because there is a protective film on the A film, so we need to tear off the protective film first. Half cut the A film from here. Carefully pass the top layer through and wrap it around this roller. We need to be very careful here to avoid getting glue everywhere. After that, covering the B film with a film and press the pinch roller. Press the paper feeding button, let the AB film come out from here. Then load AB film onto the take-up reel. Now the UV AB film have been installed and you can start your printing jobs.